As you can see, I've made a few sketches and here is a part of my paper scrap treasure. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel to a fresh new vlog. For my first embellishment, I'm using two circular shapes, one smaller than the other. The edges of both are shaped into scallops. I've used a pair of scissors to get the desired shape. I'm using double-sided tapes to attach one layer to another so that each layer appears distinct. I'm decorating the bird with colorful wing and a red stone for the eye. The color combination used, the designs, the sketches, the use of scissors to cut out the images has taken hours of hard work, imagination and dreams. This is how I'm making the leaves. I'm gluing jute yarn along the borders of the leaves. Embellishments are detailed decorative features that are added to scrapbooks, cards, home decors to make them more attractive, more beautiful. We can use almost anything to create embellishments. In this video, I'm showing you 6 cards and 6 envelopes and how I'm using embellishments to pop them out. And also, I'm trying to show you how I'm following particular themes to create each one of them. I'm pasting sentiments, the words of which I've cut out from a magazine. For the envelope, I'm folding a A4 size paper in a particular pattern. For the back of the envelope, I'm using a pink cardstock. To decorate the envelope, I'm continuing with the same bird theme. So this is my first card and my first envelope, pink in color, where I have used embellishments of bird theme. Here comes my second card. Before fixing the embellishment, I'm trying to make an appropriate background. I've taken two different prints of paper, given them a wave-like shape on the top and made one smaller than the other. For the rest of the card, I'm using quilling papers to make vertical stripes. After this, I'm attaching the printed papers on the top of the card. Now I'm making the flower. First I'm attaching the petals. Then I'm adding another layer. To it I'm attaching the folded and glued strips of papers. In the end, I'm attaching a golden sequin on top. And few other golden sequins on the stripes of paper. Here goes a sentiment. For the envelope, I'm using the same color theme, that is orange, and the same printed cardstock. For decoration, I'm using a flower cutout and a wooden button on the flap. This is my third card. I'm using a mauve color A4 size paper. On it, I'm pasting a darker shade of paper asymmetrically. The two embellishments that I'm attaching are two tiny envelopes made from 8 cm by 8 cm size cardstock. To decorate the envelopes, I'm using deco stickers, sentiments, beads and wooden buttons. For the envelope, I'm using light and dark blue paper. For decoration, I'm using banners and butterfly. For my fourth red card, I'm creating an embellishment with a rectangular green piece of cardstock, a cutout similar to a photo reel, leaves, different layers of felt petals, bird with colorful wings, small deco stickers of flowers, beads and a sentiment again cut out from a magazine. I'm using an absolutely contrast bright green color paper and a sober green print for the envelope. I'm decorating with a frame, a deco sticker, butterfly, stickers and stones. The cardstock I'm using for my fifth card already has a beautiful print. On it I'm attaching embellishments of bird houses, birds and decorating with jute yarn, sequins and sentiments. The unique thing about this card is that I'm dangling an embellishment of a dream catcher along with banners with the help of a jute yarn. Do you find this beautiful? If yes, then let me know in the comment box. To give an absolutely different look to the envelope, I'm using 2 sheets from a to-do list paper pad. For decoration, I'm using scraps, stickers, sentiments and trying to create a wildlife look. This is my last card and a yellow one. I'm cutting off half part of the card top. This is a vertical Dutch door. I'm spreading out prints, doilies, frames, deco stickers, sentiments and the bow across both the pages of the card. Thus the embellishments have got a larger space to spread their wings. I have stitched this little red bow. Maybe in future I will make a video on how to make various kinds of bows. The envelope becomes gorgeous when one side has a printed cardstock. For decorating, I'm making an embellishment with banners, heart and bird. During the pandemic, when I was forced to stay indoors, separated from my dear ones, I was anxious, stressed, and overwhelmed by different emotions. From childhood, I have been penning my thoughts. I have always had a deep connection with colors. Here is a flip through of a few pages of my art journal that I created when I didn't at all record or didn't think of making videos for YouTube. These are small messages from my humble self to the universe. Sometimes I have expressed gratitude, sometimes love, sometimes compassion, sometimes joy, sometimes hope, sometimes spirituality, and sometimes freedom. Thank you for watching and making me a part of your day. For me, journaling is therapeutic. Whenever I watch someone journaling or I create myself, I feel positive, I feel calm. I hope you too feel the same way. See you soon. So long. Love you all.